Are you interested in creating a more seamless customer experience with less churn and manual intervention? Okay, good. Me too. Martin here. And are you equally interested to hear about 3 fields in the Material Master that might be helpful? Whenever we have an opportunity to set a rule in place and that rule matches the behavior that's real, we're in business for improvement. So, Christy, I only have really one question for you today. Actually, 3 questions. What are the 3 fields in the Material Master that we need to know so much about? Take it away.
That's all I have today. We've got loads of opportunity to leverage master data to make the process flow better, make it easier, and less disjointed when it comes to serving our customers. Today, I wanted to just offer up 3 possible fields. That's 3 of the many. Today, we're going to walk through the value opportunities around sales MOQ, delivery unit, and wait for it, sales unit of measure. And you know what? Since you gave me such a hard time, I'll throw in not one, but 2 bonus fields, and I'll pick really, really good ones. Let's go in and take a look. I love a good challenge and I love some tips and tricks. So let's get right into it and see if we can't locate a couple of fields that can really help us in making sure that we're getting the behavior we would like out of SAP and maybe simplify some of the things that we are currently doing when we have to go in and manually intervene with our sales documents. So I'm here in the sales org one view, which means I had to specify my material, my sales org, and my distribution channel. And this is MM03. You can see the transaction code here in the lower right-hand corner. And a couple of the fields I wanted to point out today that we tend to find very useful in troubleshooting and problem solving. So the first one here is the sales unit. So your base unit of measure in this case is pieces. When we sell to the customer, we've decided we would like to sell in pallets, and we are able to specify this based on the material, the sales org, and the distribution channel. So the other thing we can do is we want to make sure that that is consistent or the same across all sales documents.